Hey everyone, and happy Sunday afternoon. Thank you for joining me today. I'm going to show you our recipe card kit today. I love this kit, and this morning had one of those perfect moments with my daughter where we were baking, and I thought, this is the thing. I need to start this. I need to get this going for my own kids with their favorite recipes in it so that they have this one day to use when they are grown and they want to make their own stuff. So just to give you some direction as to where you'll find this, this is in the seasonal expressions, but the good news is it is a carry forward item. So we will be seeing this after this seasonal expressions ends at the end of this month, which is great because it means you don't have to rush too fast, but at the same time, everything is always while supplies last. So you don't want to miss out. And this has been one of those things that's been a really great seller, this catalog. So you can buy this in a variety of bundles, which is also fantastic. And everything I'm showing you here today is from one of the smaller bundles because I didn't get the stamp set. And let me tell you, I'm regretting that. And I will be ordering this soon. So this is the only piece I don't have to show you today, but I do have everything else, as well as the stamp set over here from Gimme Some Sugar, which coordinates really nicely with this kit as well as other things. Okay, so let me show you what we have. The recipe kit bundle, the best bundle, comes with everything you need, including that great stamp set. This bundle comes with just about it all, and it is still a fantastic bundle. And then you can buy more inserts for the recipe kit separately, which is also great if you run out of, recipe cards and page protectors. You can get all those pieces and still put this together. So I've started with the dessert section. Really, it's what my grandmother would have done as well, and she'd be darn proud of me today for starting with dessert. She always started her meals, maybe ended them as well, with dessert. And the reason I did that is because this morning my daughter and I baked some cookies. We baked our favorite family cookies, our oatmeal cranberry ones. They are a gluten-free cookie, so I also love making them because it means I can eat them. And they're super fast and easy. So I wanted to make sure I got these out and into the album instead of always going back to Pinterest or somewhere else to look at them, because that's not always convenient. Nor is it something I can pass on to my kids. My kids aren't going to want to inherit my Pinterest account. They want to get something fun like this that they can take and they can remember the times when we bake these cookies, as well as how much they love them. So what I've done on this 2-page layout is I've done the recipe, which is a really short one. These are only 3 ingredient cookies. I've got a picture of the completed cookies, and they're already gone. That's how good these are. Cute little picture of Ellery helping me bake them this morning, and then a little story. And I love this aspect of the recipe kit in that you can add to this so that it's not just a recipe book. It's somewhere where you showcase the memories that go with this. So here I just talk about how much the kids love these. They fight over them. They eat them super, super fast. I think Ellery ate 5 this morning, and that is pretty substantial. And they're super healthy. So I didn't even care of a breakfast cookie than anything else. So in this little book, you get the covers, which you can write in or you can stamp in if you want to use some stamps, which I would recommend. You get some guide as to how these could go together. You also receive a whole bunch of recipe cards, and there are 2 different colors, pink and juniper, as well as cards to do titles on. And they have 2 sides so that you can add a picture like I did in mine. That's where the photo of Ellery is on the back of one of these cards. And then there's some other journaling cards. So that gives you lots of options. That's what the cover page looks like for each section. And on the back, it gives you a nice conversion chart area and then some note paper that you can jot down maybe what's in that section for an easy glance at what you can access. And you also receive these 2 sheets of stickers. So that gives you your labeling as well as some really cute stickers. But honestly, I would also get the stamp set because these are not enough. You're going to want more. Now this stamp set also coordinates nicely with it. And this one has a thin cut set, which I love. I love thin cuts because it makes it easy. So you could also purchase this as part of the recipe kit and do some really adorable stamping. And the thin cuts are right here that go with it, which makes it super easy to stamp, cut, and adorn your pages for beautiful memories to come. So I will share some more as I complete some more pages, and hopefully this inspires you to either cook or maybe make something special with your family today. And be sure to check this out. If you have any questions, let me know. Happy Sunday.